There are 7 widget areas in Gumbo WordPress theme, and now we're going to take a look at how you can use them. For all your widget settings and widget area settings, you go to Appearance, then Widgets in your WordPress admin dashboard. So as you can see, the widget areas are listed on the right, and there's Store sidebar, Primary sidebar, Footer, Below header, Above footer, Post aside, and Widgetized template widget area. Let's take a look at the primary sidebar because it's the one that's used most throughout the website. And if you look at any post, any page, and any archives page in your blog that is not set to a no sidebar layout, you can see it right here. It's the one with the latest post widget. And if you check, that's exactly the widget that is added to this widget area. So, Store sidebar is next. Let's head over to a product in WooCommerce store, and you see it has one widget only, best-selling items, which is exactly what is set to show here. This widget area will be shown in all WooCommerce pages in your website. So if you go to Shop homepage, front page, you can see the same widget. Now, the third one is Footer widget area. It currently has 4 widgets in it, and if I go to homepage and scroll all the way down, you see those 4 widgets right here. Tags, bestsellers from WooCommerce, latest posts, and comments. Now this area and widgets inside it, they're all very flexible, so if you want to have 3 per row or 2 per row, there's no need to go to any settings, no need to write your own custom CSS. You just need to delete one of the widgets. Let's say I'm going to remove comments widget here, and remaining widgets will adjust and fill the entire space. So there's going to be 3 per row in this case. If I remove another one, latest posts, and refresh, the remaining widgets are now 50% wide. There's 2 more widget areas that work the same way. There's one right above the footer. You can see it here. And there's one right below the header. Of course, it's not showing because there are no widgets in it, but let's add one. I'm just going to add, say, tag cloud. I'm going to use categories. So, save. And you can see it right here. This is a very, very useful widget area if you have an ad you want to show or a certain call to action or something like that. Now let's take a look at the post aside. It is currently empty, so this area is only shown when you view a single post. I have one ready right here. See, there's nothing, there's no aside. But if I just add some code that I prepared earlier, that's basically going to add tweet button, +1 button, and Facebook like button. So I'm just going to use text widget, drag it here, and let's leave the title empty and let's paste the text. Save and refresh this post. And now you can see that title and meta details for the post and the content are pushed to the right a little bit, and this is the post aside widget area. You can add anything you want here. This is just an example, of course. Finally, widgetized template widget area is something that's added to pages that use this page template. So I have it open right here. It's a very nice template for landing pages, basically. So I have it here, and below the content and media on top, there's a few widgets that I added. And this widget area, just like footer and above footer and below header widget areas, will expand and make the widgets fill all the space, and their width is going to be flexible. depending on number of widgets in the widget area.